Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Grow with Arnam, and this is Arnam Vithlani. Today we are going to study a basic C program and syntax and then followed by the data types. A C program. A C program basically consists of the following parts: preprocessor commands, functions, variables, statements and expressions, comments. The first line of the program, hashtag include stdio.h is a preprocessor command which tells a C compiler to include the standard input-output file before going into compilation. Next line, int main, is the main function where the program execution begins. All the main executable line of code should be inside the curly braces of the main function. The next line with the slash double slash will be ignored by the compiler, that is called a comment. The next line printf bracket followed by the upper comma and a semicolon is another function which causes the message hello world to be displayed on the screen. The message string should be written inside upper commas, but numerics are written without upper commas. The next line return 0 terminates the main function and returns value 0. Data types. Data types refers to an extensive system used for declaring variables or functions of different types. The types of variables determine how much space it occupies in storage and have different range to store numbers. There are three types of data types. Primary data type are character, float, int, etc. User-defined data type, enum or typedef. Derived data type are pointers, arrays, structures, union, etc. Primary data type. Primary data type is also known as fundamental data types because they are predefined in C language. Primary data types in C are of four types. That is character. Keyword used is char. Size in bytes is 1. Range is from -128 to 127, and it is used to store characters. Integer size byte 2, floating point 4, and double is 8. Integer data type. The integer data type is used to store integer values. It can be signed and unsigned. It has generally 32 bits or can be said 4 bytes. By default, integer is signed. Examples are 10, 20, 30, 100, 570, 630, etc. Character data type. The character data type is used to store characters. Character must be inside single quotes. It is usually 1 byte. Whenever we enter a character type variable, the character is stored as integer value in the address location. Example small a, capital D, capital L, small m, etc. Float data type. The float data type is used to store floating point numbers. The numbers that have a fractional part are called floating point numbers. It has generally 4 bytes. These can represent a much larger and wider range of digits as compared to integer data type. Example are zero point 0.7, 0.33, 8.21, 1000.29, etc. Double data type. The double data type is used to store floating numbers. It occupies twice as much memory as float data type. It has generally 8 bytes. Example are 32.334000, 194.4698,300, etc. Enumeration data type. Enumeration or enum is a user-defined data type. It is mainly used to assign names to integral constants. Value assigned must be in range of signed int. Syntax of enumeration data type is enum, then enum name, braces, colon, then enum enum name, colon. Conversion specifier. The conversion specifier character specifies whether to interpret the corresponding argument as a character, a string, a pointer, an integer, or a floating number. For signed int, it is %d, unsigned int is %u, for long int is %ld, for pointer is %p, for string is %s, and etc. Variables. A variable is a name given to storage area that our programs can manipulate. Two main concepts of variables are declaration and initialization in usage. Int a, comma b, comma c, comma d. This is declaring multiple variables in a single line. Int a equals b and int b equals 7. Declaring and initializing variables in a single line, or thus declaring and initializing variables. Constants. A constant is a value that can't be changed in the program or during the program. Types of constants are character, string, integer, or real value. Thank you for your attention, and the notes and PPTs will be available in the link given in the description box.